Hi everyone. On the previous video, I create this pricing table for desktop version, and now we can create mobile version. So the mobile version will be a slider or slider carousel, and the feature list. This feature list will be shown as a tab content. So let's start working. So for this slider carousel, we can use a template like uh, we can create template for this pricing table, and then we can use the templates as a slider. So first we can go to the WordPress dashboard and click add template. So the template will be normal section template. So the pricing name should be match to here pricing plan like basic pricing. So after design on, we can just duplicate it to and add it to the carousel. In the desktop version, this section is matched to our mobile version. So I can just copy this container. I already show how to make this design, and we can paste it here. So this section are pasted here. So let me reduce the width like 500 or less. Okay, you see the CSS are not apply. So it will be applied when we can use this border gradient. We can use this in the home page because the gradient border CSS already applied in here. You see this button have a gradient border, and this CSS code are applied on this page. So this is the template. When we can link it to the main page, then this border will show. So you see, before the subscribe, after the subscribe button, there is a headline. So I hope we can use this headline. We can just copy and paste it here because this design already we created, so we cannot waste our time to make it again. Okay. Okay, now we can set the direction to start. Right now we can create a tab element for this. And we need to reduce the font sizes or 28 pixel. So for mobile version, the font size is a bit smaller, and it's 12 pixel. Okay, it's also 12 pixel this one. Pixel. And we can reduce the icon size also. Yeah. Okay. And let's check the this font size is also 12. It will be also 12 pixel. We use a small CSS for fixing this span font size. Okay. This gradient text color will also apply when you can use it here. Okay. So now we can add a tab element. It's called tabs, or we can drag a container first. Can drag the container here and drag it to the bottom. Great. Padding should be 0. Now we can add tabs. Okay, you see the tab buttons in the top, and here is the content. So first we need to design the buttons. So active color will be gradient, and the normal color is black. So 10 pixel and 400.2 EM. Titles should be 10 pixel 400. Change the font family. The height should be 0.2. Let's use the tab padding. So first of all, SEO, social media manager. We have the features here. Oh, sorry, the desktop version. Have the feature. We can copy the features from here. Again, we can duplicate and change the items. Okay. Now the direction, and let's check the additional settings. Horizontal breakpoint. There will not any big breakpoint. Yeah. Horizontal is scroll enable, like, sorry. You see the content is overlap, so user can easily scroll left and right to show it. Okay. Now we can select each tab, like we can select this tab, and let's fix some style. In the normal, there are no background, like white background, and text color should be, this is the titles. Normal text color should be black, and when over, then the gradient color will be shown here. So you can do it later. Tabs again, hover should be also white, or we can change it to transparent. The background, we don't need background. So in the title we can use active also black. Okay. Now we can put the list item here, or something, or we can drag to container. On should be 80% or 95%. The second one should be 5%, or you can say 10% and 90%. Good. And the tab parent container padding should be 0, and this padding should be also 0. Okay, and we can set this also 0. Now we can add list item or icon list, and let's check icon alignment. Icon alignment will auto. Okay, so we can remove the icons first, then we can put the content. Okay, let's check the font style. 10 pixel, 2 text, black color should be 10 pixel, should be 2.2, sorry, 2.2, and space between should be 0. Okay, and now we can copy and paste the list item here, and we can just keep the icons. export is busy. Okay, and you can upload the icon. We have already this icon here, so you can insert it, and color should be transparent, and we can remove the title. So now the icon comes up. Let's zoom it a bit, and we can just duplicate this icon. 1 2 3 4 5 times, and now we can set the spacing. Yeah, 8 pixel. Okay, let's go to mobile version. Okay, on the mobile version we can also fix it 90%, 10%. Let's open the navigator so you can understand it better. It should be 90%. Yeah. So we don't need to change the tab width. So that's container. We can change the container width. Okay, now it's perfect. We can make it publish. So the same way we can do for the others. So let's go to the desktop version again, and we can open structure and click that tab. Okay, we can just okay, we can just copy the first container and go here, drag it, paste it here, and again we can go to SEO tab, click the second container, copy, and go to the social media manager and paste it in the right side. And now we can set the container direction. Sorry. Yeah, container direction should be right. And for this, we need to remove the padding for this. And the same way we can just again we can copy the first container and go to Google Ads and paste it here. Again copy the second container and go to Google Ads and paste it here. Now you can select the tab and the direction should be right. Okay, and now we can again set it pixel 0 pixel. Also 19 should be okay, so we can make it a bit smaller, 85. Okay, we can make it 85 and okay. Sometime we need to change the value because Flixbox have sometime taking spacing, so we can manually increase or decrease the container width to fix the issues if comes up. Let me make it 90 and 10 for SEO, social media. Put this on container 19 and it's okay. tab 2, this padding should be also 0. Tab on padding also 0. Okay. Tab on gap also 0. This gap need to 0. Okay, this is the issue. So we need to set the gap 0. So the percentage will be perfect. Then I can now make it 19 and 10. Okay, 19, 10 should be also 19 and 10. Okay, now it's perfect. So the same way I can copy and duplicate for another tabs. I just updated all the content in the same way. I can just copy paste and change the text and icon list. So let's preview it. So right now the functionality are done like this. And this is the scrolling feature. Okay, done. So now we can make the design. So first of all, there are border bottom of the titles or tabs. So let's select the tag. This is the tab active. Okay. This is the tabs heading container div. We can, if you know custom CSS, then you can easily understand. And if you don't know how to use CSS, you can just copy paste my CSS code. You can use something gray color. Yeah. And just copy this code and we can select the tab. This is the tab container. We can select the container and paste the code here, like selector, then we can paste the code here and publish. And another part is when in tab active, then the border bottom or a bottom line will be active here also. So you can click it here first, and maybe there have a active class will be added here. Let's check tab heading. Okay, I remove the CSS code from here. We can use a different method. So first of all, we can go to the tab element and give a normal border width, should be transparent border, and then when hover, then border will be show border bottom on pixel, should be also on pixel black, and when active it will be also on pixel black. So it will show like that. And now we can add a small CSS to give a gray border below this. So let me use it. Okay, this is the CSS code I applied here. So you can just copy paste this and then the border will be applied here. If I can zoom it, so you will properly understand. So you see right now it's working perfectly. Okay, and I will share this code to my video description or comment. Now the first slider element is complete, so I can copy all the content, just publish it, and again I can create a new. I can just click add new and again select section, then paste the plan name, pricing and create the template. Copy all the content and I can just paste it here. Yeah, so this is also ready. Now we can just change the features as mentioned on this plan. Sorry. Like I mentioned here, basic plan have these three features. So in the basic plan, there have an idea. We can just keep these three items, and we can remove the others. Like these three we don't need because these three are not available. And and here on the close plan, you see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. So we can keep the 5, 1, 2, 3, and just remove the last one. So in the same way, we can just duplicate the template for these two and keep the all the features. So just it. So I just use it. Let me duplicate it for another two. I have created now growth plan and the premium plan on the same way. Just copy paste the template and use it here. So now let me fix some issue, like this is the alignment and this not alignment. Like we need to remove the padding from here. I'm sorry, padding from, go to the mobile. Let's keep 10 pixel and left will be 0, something like that. And the top padding are okay. On the desktop version, we can, if we can use the desktop version, the mobile version will automatically applied like this. You can keep 10 and just remove from left side. Okay, but this also basic growth premium. Okay, this maybe the another are missing. Let me, okay, you can reduce this also. Now we can drag a slider here. Like first we can drag a container. You can drag the container at the top. Go to structure and drag it at the bottom. So this container we will show. We will show in the mobile version and hide on the desktop, and this container we can show on the desktop version and hide on mobile version. So let's fix it responsive and hide on mobile, and this also go to responsive, hide on mobile. For this container we can select the parent on and hide on mobile. Also pricing we can keep this will show on the mobile. So if I can go on mobile version, then this will be hide. Now we can drag the carousel like testimonial carousel and remove this image, text, everything we can first remove, and go to style, content. Style should be normal, content, title should be normal. Okay, now we can go here and let's go to the template again, save templates. You see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 packages, and 4 packages. This is the template sections, and you see in the right side, this is the template shortcut. We can just copy and paste the shortcut here and duplicate it for 3 times. Again we can copy the second on, third on, and fourth. Yeah, is a dots, so we can remove it. Dots will be none, arrows none, autoplay none. And the slider view will be on. Slide twist also on. Let's go to the mobile device and it should be also on. Yeah. Now we need to preview it so we can understand it better. Yeah, you see the border comes here and this is the title. So this, you see, the alignment is center. So let's go to the testimonials content and from here we can set the alignment left and make publish again. Refresh it. Or if it's not working, let's check what's happened. Go to style, content, slide. We can set selector, then all. Text and left. Important. Yeah, it's working perfect. This is the tab element, and the tab element content are short, so it's showing from center. So if we can click here, titles and text alignment, we can set left for growth package and also for basic package. We can set it text align title left. So let's see if it's change. Refresh it. Yeah, you see it's working. Everything working fine. You see a small border on the top. Maybe some small CSS issue. So you can fix it like this. Okay, let me check it from mobile device. How it looks. Yeah, it looks perfect on the mobile. So I hope there are no issue now. So you can easily do this type of carousel. So if you can follow this video first to last, I hope you can easily do that for your own project. So this kind of video takes many times to make this type of long tutorial and editing. So if you get benefit from this video, kindly appreciate my video and share it to your friends, and kindly subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.